Are you stuck with loan apps? Don't worry, help is coming. Stay with us and we'll show you how to escape this loan apps palava. The very first thing you need to do is to stop paying. Take a break. Just pause from sending money. The reason that they can't arrest you because borrowing is not a crime. They can't take you to court. If they do, they will lose. You have power. They are just trying to scare you. Another thing you need to remember is that these loan apps make money by frightening people. So stay calm. You are safe when you stop paying. Don't consider the overdue interest. Don't worry about that. That's the first thing you must do. Stop paying. The next step is to fight back against their threats. You can't just keep quiet. The moment you keep quiet, you are giving them opportunity to keep mounting pressure on you. Send them very strong messages. We have a lot of messages on our website that you can use as a template. Send them very strong messages, and you can also report them to a FCCPC. So this is the catch. Those who bully you only chase people who run away. They keep bullying you the more. When you stand up, they get scared. And if you fight back, within 3 days, they will leave you alone. Just install Truecaller and block them. Remember, you are not alone. We have dedicated websites. You can join our group and learn from over 60,000 people how they were able to overcome loan apps. So let me tell you the hard truth. Although there are good ones, never borrow from loan app charging more than 20% per month. It's too dangerous. Note that 95% of loan apps will ruin you financially. You are entitled to 7 million naira if any loan apps defame you. So anytime they call you that you are owing them and they defame you, tell them that they are owing you 7 million naira and they must pay that money. And if they want to collect their money, let them meet you in court. They will stop calling you. Don't let them bully you. You have the power to overcome them. Never download loan apps from anywhere except Google Play Store or App Store, because Play Store and App Store have strict rules. They do not allow loan apps that ask for contact links and call logs, and those are two major permissions that they use to access your contacts. If a loan app asks for contact permission or call log permission, it means that they just want to steal your contacts. And once they get to your contact, they will save all your friends and family numbers and harass them with all sorts of things, sending messages to them. If you have downloaded loan apps outside Play Store and App Store, they are likely going to send messages to your contacts because you have traded away your contacts for money. So the best thing you can do for yourself is simply send a disclaimer to your contacts. With that, you will be free and you will pre-inform your contact what is going on. Some people lie to you that they will help you remove your contacts from their database. Don't be deceived. They are thieves. Most of them are loan app agents. They can only delete from the company they work for, not all loan apps. And if you pay them, you will lose your money. They can even use your account to borrow from another loan app. So stay away from them. Do not trust them. Protect yourself. For you to know if loan app will defame you, kindly check the app permission. Long press the app and check the app info, the permission. If they have contact permission and caller permission enabled, it means you didn't download from Play Store. Therefore, they are likely going to defame you. So the best thing you can do is to send messages to your contacts. Although there are some loan apps that will not defame you, but they can report you to credit bureau. Do not worry yourself. If they report you to a credit bureau, it's very easy to clear your name from credit bureau. Only pay the amount they reported to credit bureau and enjoy your life. You can never finish paying loan apps. And you need to understand that no loan app can stop you from traveling abroad. They have no power to block you or to cancel your visa. It's not possible. Do not believe those lies. The agreement you sign while applying for loan apps will be cancelled if loan app engage in any of these practices. If they are not approved by government, anything you sign with them is illegal, it's void. You don't have to disturb yourself. If the loan conditions are too hard or unfair, like 200%, 80%, any agreement you sign with them is void. If they lie to you or force you to borrow, for instance, if you just register, before you know it, they've credited your account, they can't do anything. If they send any messages to your contact, that agreement is void. Any loan apps that defame you break CBN rules. With such loan app, any agreement you have with them is void. So if they force money into your account, that agreement is void. And if you are not up to 18 years and they send money to your account, that agreement is void. Stay safe and follow us for more. Thanks.